Hi everyone, I'm in the kitchen, and the reason I'm in the kitchen is that I want to show you how to make what I think is the tastiest traditional British dessert, fruit crumble. Apologies to my mum if she's watching. Hi mum. If I get it wrong. Hers will always be the best, of course, but I'm a long way away from my mum's cooking, so I'll attempt it myself. And I'll try to teach you some cooking vocabulary as we go. Now, this is the ultimate comfort food. Warming, crispy, buttery, and the good thing is it's really easy to make. It takes about 15 minutes preparation time and 40 minutes to cook. So, here we go. First, the fruit. You can use pretty much any fruit for this dessert. Traditionally it's apple, but you can use berries. I'm adding some raspberries. So I've got 575 grams of fruit. Some is apple puree and some is sliced apples. And then there's the raspberries. But in total 575 grams. You can add a couple of spoonfuls of sugar if you like, but I think this will be sweet enough, so I'm not going to. Then I've got 175 grams of plain flour, 110 grams of sugar, 110 grams of butter, some cinnamon, and a small handful of oats. And there's a little bit of salt here as well. All the fruit is peeled and chopped, so all we need to do is place it on the bottom of the dish. Next, we need to make the topping. Add the sugar to the flour with just a pinch of salt. Now we need to add the butter to the sugar and flour mixture. And what we need to do is rub it in with your fingertips until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. You can use a blender for this, but don't blend it too much. Okay, I think that's enough. Oops, I forgot the cinnamon. What we can do is we can add the cinnamon to this mixture. All that remains is to sprinkle this mixture over the fruit and then slowly even it out so it covers all of the fruit. Then we want to press it down slightly with the back of a fork and then gently drag the fork over the surface like so. And then finally, we can sprinkle on these oats. All that remains is to put it in the oven at about 190 degrees and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes.